Morning, students. I'm Dr. Madhavi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Economics. So, in today's class, we are going to discuss about health insurance. So, let us concentrate on the different, what is health insurance, what are the different types of health insurance, what are the need of health insurance. The health insurance covers cost of an injured individual's medical and surgical expenses. Subject to the terms of insurance coverage, either the injured pays a cost out of pocket and is subsequently reimbursed, or the insurance company reimburses cost directly. What is health insurance? See, health insurance is an insurance product which covers medical and surgical expenses of an injured individual. It reimburses the expenses incurred due to the illness or injury, or pays the care provider of the injured individual directly. So let us concentrate on the types of health insurance. So the main types of health insurance is, actually every individual is different and it has a unique set of needs. A single health insurance product is not enough to cover every person's individual requirements. So it is precisely where there are a number of different types of health insurance plans available. So first, in individual health insurance. So under this individual health insurance, we can purchase an individual health insurance policy to provide a cover for ourselves, our spouse, children, as well as parents. These policies typically cover all kinds of medical expenses, including hospitalization, daycare procedures, hospital rooms, rent, as well as and more other as well. So under an individual health insurance plan, each member has their own sum insured amount. So let's say we have taken an individual plan for ourselves, our spouse, and both of our parents with a sum insured of INR 8 lakhs. So each of us will be able to claim a maximum amount of 8 lakhs per policy year against our health insurance. The next one is family floater health insurance. See, a family floater health insurance, in the sense, it allows to cover our family members under a single policy, and everybody shares the sum insured amount. These plans are typically more affordable than individual plans since the sum insured is shared. So let us say we purchase a family floater plan for us as well as our spouse with some injured of INR 8 lakhs. In a single policy year, we can make claims worth only INR 8 lakhs. So if your spouse may claim a worth of INR 6 lakhs, and you could be make claims INR 2 lakhs or vice versa. So typically these family floater plans are ideal for young nuclear families. The next type is senior citizens health insurance. These health plans have been designed specifically keeping the medical needs and requirements of senior citizens in mind. Most senior citizens policies offer additional cover such as domiciliary hospitalization and even some physiotherapeutic benefits. Since older citizens are more likely to have health issues, these policies may require a full medical checkup beforehand and could be more expensive than regular insurance policy. Next type is critical illness insurance. There are a number of lifestyle related diseases that are on the rise. Health issues such as the cancer, stroke, kidney failure, as well as cardiac diseases can be very expensive to deal with and manage long term. It is precisely why critical illness insurance policies have been created. They can either be purchased as a rider or add on with the regular health insurance plan separately as their own plan. These policies offer cover for very specific issues and often provide claims payout as a single lump sum payment after the diagnosis of a critical illness. Then let us concentrate on the group health insurance. See, unlike individual and family floater policies, group health insurance plans can be purchased by a group manager for a large number of individuals. For example, an employer can purchase group insurance for all their employees, or a building secretary may purchase such a plan for all the residents of the building. These plans are poorly affordable, but they often only provide cover for basic health issues. Employers often purchase these plans as additional benefits for employees. So let us concentrate on the benefits of health insurance. See, mainly it is very helpful to deal with the rising medical costs, critical illness cover, easy cashless scheme, claims, it gives some safety, tax savings also possible. These are the main benefits. How this health insurance works means, see, like every kind of insurance policy, this health insurance also is very helpful to deal with the financial repercussions of an accident or emergency. So let us take a look at how this health insurance actually works. The process starts when we apply to purchase a plan. Depending on our age, medical background, some injured record, and the type of plan we have selected, we will be provided with premium cost. In some cases, we might be asked to do a few medical tests before the insurance provider decides whether they would like to provide us with the required cover. Once the terms and conditions are finalized, we will be provided with the policy. Each policy comes with a few waiting periods. The initial waiting period is only for a few weeks or a month. During this time, we will not be able to make any non-emergency claims. Let's say that we require some kind of surgery after the waiting period. So if we were able to get the treatment in a network hospital, we can let us know about the surgery, and we will get in touch with the hospital directly to settle all the payments. So when we are discharged from the hospital, we will only have to pay the additional expenses that are not covered and the voluntary copay amount, if any. If we are getting treatment in a non-network hospital, we can make all the payments and then file for a reimbursement claim. So let us concentrate on the need of health insurance. The need of health insurance in the sense, Medicare or medical costs are rising year on year. As a matter of fact, inflation in Medicare is higher than inflation in food and other articles. While inflation is food and inflation in food and clothing is in single digits, Medicare costs usually escalate in double digits. For an individual who has not saved that much money, arranging for funds at the 11th hour can be a task. This is particularly for seniors, given that most alliances strike at an advantage age. So one way is to provide for health-related medical emergencies is by taking health insurance. So it offers considerable flexibility in terms of disease. For example, certain health insurance plans cover as many as 30 critical illness and over 80 surgical procedures. So this type of plans disburses the payment towards surgery or illness regardless of actual medical expenses. This policy continues even after the benefit payment on selected illnesses. With health insurance, we are assured of a more secure future, both health-wise and money-wise. It makes health insurance policies critical for individuals, especially if they are responsible for the financial well-being of the family. So every policy has its own exclusions or medical procedures and situations that it will not cover. So make sure that you check whether what's covered and what is not before we purchase a plan. And we should also check if there is a copay clause, how much we will have to copay, and what the waiting periods are. Shorter waiting periods and voluntary copay are ideal. So students, these are the important aspects regarding health insurance. Thank you.